You slept 8 hours. You did everything right. But when you look in the mirror, your eyes still look dead. Dark circles. Puffy face. No glow. So what's happening? Here's the truth, looking rested has nothing to do with how long you sleep. It's about how well your body recovers. And today I'll show you the real reasons you still look tired, and how to fix them fast. Most people think sleep equals rest. Wrong. You can lie in bed for 8 hours and still wake up drained because your body never entered deep recovery mode. This isn't about sleeping more, it's about sleeping smarter. Let's break down the 7 hidden reasons your face still screams tired, even after a full night's sleep. You sleep with too much light. Your brain only releases melatonin, the sleep hormone, when it's pitch dark. Even small LED lights, your phone charger, or that dim lamp can interrupt deep sleep cycles. So black out your room. No phone glow. No LED alarm clocks. You'll wake up with tighter skin and clearer eyes within days. Poor sleep posture. If you sleep face down or on one side, gravity pulls fluid under your eyes. Hello, puffiness. Train yourself to sleep on your back. Use a medium pillow that keeps your neck aligned. This small change reduces under-eye bags and keeps your face sharper by morning. You're dehydrated. Most tired faces are just dry faces. Your body loses water as you sleep. Without hydration, your blood flow slows and your skin dulls. Drink a full glass of water 30 minutes before bed and again right after waking up. Bonus tip: add electrolytes or pink salt to your night water. It locks hydration in longer. Caffeine timing. That 5 p.m. coffee? Still in your system at midnight. Caffeine blocks adenosine, the chemical that tells your brain it's time to rest. Cut caffeine after 2 p.m. You'll fall asleep faster, enter deeper REM cycles, and your face will literally look more alive the next morning. Blue light damage. Scrolling before bed kills 2 things: your melatonin and your skin collagen. Blue light triggers stress hormones and tightens facial muscles overnight. That's why your face looks tense, not relaxed. So cut screens 30 minutes before bed. If you can't, use night filters or blue light glasses. Poor circulation. When you don't move all day, your blood flow weakens. Less circulation equals less oxygen to your face. Do a quick 10-minute walk or 20 push-ups before bed. You'll sleep deeper and wake up with a natural glow. Bonus: sleeping with your head slightly elevated helps drain fluid from your face. Sharper jawline guaranteed. Mental fatigue. You're not physically tired, you're mentally overloaded. Your brain's been running all day without an off switch. Write down everything on your mind before bed. Plans, worries, to-dos. Once it's on paper, your brain finally shuts down and you get real recovery sleep. Here's the secret: looking awake isn't about sleeping longer, it's about repairing deeper. Dark room. Back sleeping. Hydration. Less caffeine. No blue light. Do these for 7 nights and your skin tone, eyes, and energy will all change. Because when your recovery improves, your entire face transforms. If you found this valuable, hit subscribe and turn on notifications.